guys, so today I'm going to review this beautiful wallet by the brand Butterflies. So this brand gives this beautiful metallic butterfly lutkans with each of their products. As you can see, this wallet is navy blue in color. So I got this from Amazon. The original MRP of the price is rupees 1300, that is 12.99, but I got it for rupees 800 when it was under sale. So please do check it out when it is under sale. So as you can see, it is navy blue in color. The outside material is made up of polyurethane, synthetic polyurethane, and the inside is made up of cloth. So this is what it looks on the inside. Completely open. This is what it looks like. Okay, so on the inside it has got these two big compartments and this one chained small compartment as well. It has got these 5 card pockets as well. So all in all, my experience with this wallet has been, and also it has a snap opening. So yes, very convenient. So I have been using this wallet for 3 to 4 months now and my experience has been really good, except these card pockets. They are not like very convenient, they are not very good quality. So what happens is either the card gets stuck inside the wallet or it slips off and goes very much downwards, and it gets very difficult to plug them out of the bottom pocket. So that is the only drawback I feel is there with this wallet. Another good thing is that we all have been sanitizing our things because of the whole COVID situation. So I have sanitized this a lot of times, but as you can see, there has been no damage of any kind to the original material. It doesn't scrape off or nothing really happens during the whole sanitization process. The color is intact, the material is intact, nothing bad has happened. It is very much spacious. You can fit a lot of stuff inside this wallet as well, a lot of money, lot of coins and everything. It also like swells up a little. The snap being the snap, it doesn't have a lot of volume, it can't expand a lot, but it still has a good quantity of things that you can keep inside it. So yes, all in all, I do have a good experience with it, except the pocket compartment. So if you are someone who doesn't use these card pockets a lot, then you should definitely go for this. It is a very pretty blue in color. This also has a lot of other colors in it as well, so do check it out. This brand is also quite good, so you can also go for other wallets or handbags with this brand as well. So that's it. Thank you.